Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Let's see question number 31 of chapter crop production and management. What are Rabi crops? Give two examples. Here, we know India is a vast country. Here, from region to region, there is climate change, temperature, humidity, and rainfall. It changes from region to region. Also, we can see variety of crops in India. Alva? So, these crops broadly classified as Rabi crops and Kharif crops based on the season. So, Rabi crops are grown in the winter season and harvested in summer. ಈ ರಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿತಾರೆ and they are harvested in summer season. This is called ರಬಿ crops. And what are the two examples? ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತದ್ದು? ಯಾವ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Wheat? Yes. Examples: wheat and mustard, linseed and pea. These are the examples of Rabi crop. Thank you.